Hey everyone, Rust here, and you are watching Logic for Newbies. Yeah. So, I wasn't planning to do this video today, but I was messaging a friend of mine, and he was asking me about plugins, which ones he should start with, which ones he should buy. So, tell me, have you ever seen this when you were searching up plugins? Have a look. Yo, everybody, this is Russ Dub here, back with another plugin. Listen, I got the new plugin from Tiny Candy called Jerry's Hot Sauce. You gotta check this out. Check this out. You gotta get it. It's fire. All right, so let's check it out. So here's the track that I recorded. Have a listen. Okay. Okay. Right, so that's not bad, right? But check this out. Now I'm gonna go and add Jerry's Hot Sauce. Now have a listen. Listen to this. Listen. Whoa! Fire! Fire! Woo! So, guys, I'm not here to make fun of people who do videos like that. I am just trying to make you aware because it's not them that's doing something wrong. It's generally it's great advertisement, man. Like I am a sucker for great ad, right? Like and some of those plugins are fantastic. The only reason I'm bringing this up is because I'm a sucker. It's try to make you aware yourself because when we get that ear candy, we're just like, that's what I need. That's what I need. Do the research. Pay attention. A lot of those video channels, when I go through them, I just check out the other videos they're doing, right? Because sometimes if they're just doing straight ads, it's just for the straight ads, right? If they have other videos that are helpful, it kind of shows their intent. Like, and even on those guys that are doing those kind of videos, just ask them questions. Is like, why is this a good plugin? Tell me more. Just make sure you have the information. Make good decisions for yourself because you want to buy the right plugins for what you're doing and not be disappointed because the purpose of this channel is I don't want you to feel dejected in your pursuits because you feel like you failed somehow, right? So let's have positive let's do some positive things, guys. All right, let's do it. Later.